Happy Turkey Day, everyone. Teach 'em in the Fish channel here. Today's video is going to be a real quick one. It's a simple process. Inject and fry up a turkey. Stay tuned because it's going to come at you quick. Garlic, pinch of thyme, a little bit of rosemary, celery salt, onion powder, black pepper. Let that simmer for a minute. Inject the turkey. Pat down and dry the turkey. 2 gallons of peanut oil. Also know that there's several different kinds of oil that you can use. Nothing says that you have to use peanut oil. There's cheaper blends out there. You can use vegetable oil. I just prefer the taste of peanut oil. All right, let's get the heat cranked up. Working towards 325 to 350. There we are at 325. We'll go ahead and dial it back and see if we can hold that temperature somewhere between 325 and 350.
Safety first.
Turning off the flame before we put the turkey in. The turkey's in the strainer. And this is my handy lid holder that I use for my Dutch ovens. I built that, that's a different video, as well as my lid lifter I can use to lower the turkey in. 3 minutes per pound, plus 5 minutes, makes it 55 minutes. In goes the turkey. Slow and gentle. Now we'll maintain the temperature, keep an eye on it. Keep it between the 325 and 350.
That smells good.
Again, we continue to monitor the temperature. We've got it on high and we're hovering just around the 325. First, turn off the flame. We've hit our 55 minutes, right? We are at 55, right?
Yes, sir.
Make sure our hook is clean. And at some point during the cook, I also spun the tray or the basket in order to get it to stop sticking to the bottom. And then she floated up, so I actually held it down in with the thermometer. Looking good. And I actually like it when they flip over because I believe the juices then flow up into the breast. So now we'll let this rest for a few minutes and then take it inside and let it settle in. So here we go. Skin is crisp. Hear that sound? Listen to that. Oh yeah. Juicy, tender, turn some light on there so you can see the tender. Tender and juicy. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, my cameraman and I, we're gonna get a taste.
Move it onto our mouths.
First taste.
How does it taste?
I think his eyes just rolled back into his head. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Teach a Man to Fish channel. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe. Come back for more.